Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today is a mini Ulta haul. We're gonna dive right in. Alright, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. First up, I have not one, not two, but 3 sets of my all-time favorite nails. These are the Color Effects by Impress. They're the Kiss Impress Press-On Nails. I have worn the Kiss brand of press-on nails since September of 2014, so a very, very long time. They recently came out with their FX line, and as you can see, they are like kind of multi-dimensional, more of like a multi-chrome type of design. I love these. They last for me about 7 to 10 days with 0 issues. They're affordable. I do them in about 5 minutes. Typically when you see me have my nails actually done, that's what I'm wearing. Next up, one of our favorite sunscreens. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist. And this is SPF of 45. The reason that we really love this, specifically my husband, is because it's incredibly fine, incredibly light on the skin. It doesn't have that kind of thick film to it that a lot of sunscreens can have. It smells really, really lovely. The mister on this is fantastic, and he has not gotten burned or anything yet, so it's a win. Next up is another repurchase for us. This is the TheraBreath Whitening Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. I love this. We've gone through multiples of these, and the reason that I really love this one in particular is because I feel like it really cleans the mouth. When you wake up the next morning, you don't have like overtly bad morning breath, and it doesn't have any alcohol in it, so it does not burn. So if you've been looking for something, if you do not like something that's overtly alcohol-y, super duper minty or anything like that, and something that actually works, this works great. Next up, I think I'm gonna have to try to return this, and I'll let you know why in a second. It is the new launch for Naked Sundays. This is their Hydrating Glow Mist Top-Up Spray with SPF of 50. It seemed like it was leaking, and where the sundae is at, it almost looks like people have been holding it and touching it, or maybe just because it leaked, it kind of melted that away. But it's not even full. It's full to about right here, so that upsets me a little bit, but it did have a piece of tape on it, so I think they were trying to make sure that it got to me safely. But I'm excited to test this out. I love sunscreen, as you guys know, and I really am intrigued to see if this actually does work and kind of prolong my sun protection. But yeah, I'm going to give them an email and see if they can send me a replacement. Next up, I love Hemp's body washes. If you watched my recent empties video, you know that I love Hemp's, and I've loved them for a very long time, but they just launched a new Hemp's Glow Getter Ultra Moisturizing Lip Gloss with bergamot and warm vanilla, and it says hydrate and shimmer with 100% natural hemp seed oil. And I thought that especially for summer, that was going to be super, super beautiful for kind of more of those goldy, bronzy, dewy type days. This is going to be so incredibly stunning, and if it's anything like their body washes and stuff, I'm going to love it. Next up, or last up I should say, is the Ulta Beauty Collection. This is their brand new launch, the Full Coverage Foundation Brush number 100. And this is very reminiscent of kind of the more old school that used to be incredibly popular, the Artiste brushes, I think is what they were called, and they were incredibly expensive. But just the shape of this and everything looked so nice, and it does look nice in person, and it feels nice. A little bit short, but given the nature of this, you would more go in like this with it instead of like holding it out here and applying with a brush. It feels incredibly weighted, really, really heavy, nice quality. This feels incredibly dense, but equally as soft. Woo, I'm excited about that. That feels, you guys, that feels like fantastic quality. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So that's my itty bitty little haul. I can't really showcase anything for y'all. I will kind of update you guys as far as this goes. And if you want to see a quick, I can do a shorts applying my foundation with this. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Also, have you ever tried the Kiss Impress nails? I want to know. Y'all know I'm nosy as hell. Thank you for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.